Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in tech. During a casual conversation last week, my friend excitedly informed me about a fascinating new tool on the market that can effortlessly generate poetry, conduct research, write blogs. It can make a project for you as well and complete various time-consuming tasks in less than seconds. Guess what it is? Yes, you are right. It turned out to be the impressive ChatGPT. In just 5 days, ChatGPT has generated more than 1 million users, breaking records set by tech giants such as Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. Facebook took 10 months to reach the same milestone, Instagram took 3 months, and Netflix took 3.5 years. It's a testament to the power of this tool. In this video, we will be discussing all about ChatGPT and how to use it in Python. We'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to harness the full potential of this tool. One of my friends working in healthcare sector, he got the data in image format from one of the client and he was struggling to convert it into Excel in order to make a report. We introduced him to ChatGPT and helped him find the code he needed to complete the task. To help our friend with his data conversion problem, we first conducted a Google search for ChatGPT. This led us to the OpenAI website, where we learned about the capabilities of the model and how it could be used to generate code. To use ChatGPT, we needed to sign up for the service. We followed the registration process on the OpenAI website and were able to set up our account quickly and easily. With our ChatGPT account set up, we were ready to help our friend convert his image data into Excel format. We opened the ChatGPT interface and typed in a prompt: write a code to convert text into image. As shown in the screen. Within seconds, the model generated a response with the code our friend needed to complete the task. You can easily copy the code by clicking it on the right side of the screen. With the code in hand, we were able to help our friend complete the data conversion task quickly and easily. He was impressed with the speed and accuracy of the ChatGPT model and thanked us for introducing him to this powerful tool. It can give you know of code such as web scraping code, machine learning code, API code, PDF to Excel code, and many others, so explore by yourself. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.